Hey Aquarius, getting ready to do your general reading for the month of October. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Oopsies. Okay, those were a lot of cards. Cool, I'll take them all. Aquarius, I feel you guys are really eager. Wow. But you've got all good cards. I'm very happy for you, Aquarius. Not bad. Except for this one. But then this can be a good card as well. I feel, definitely you feel nostalgic right now. Probably somebody from your past, you comes in contact with you, or you remember someone from your past. But I feel that you guys have been indecisive about something, and now that energy is leaving you, you feel more in control of your feelings, you feel more in control of your emotions. Yeah, amazing. I feel confusion and indecisiveness leave you. Whatever these feelings were, whatever these people were who were making you feel confused, they are leaving now. Could be an earth sign individual that you're dealing with or were dealing with, but now they've gone. Yeah, this person made you feel burdened. They made you feel as if you had to do a lot to get them to open up to you, to get them to talk to you, or even to, uh, love you. I mean, it was a great deal for them to love you. Like, it was I feel they felt that you were very difficult to love. But you know what? You never feel that, Aquarius. Yeah. Could be a Libran also. I feel water is very heavy, so Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But I feel stability, balance, and good times are coming your way in October. Okay, there was some kind of communication that was stopped due to this burdensome energy, but I feel uh, that now these communications are going to start and they're going to work out in your favor. Aquarius. Yeah, definitely. Some kind of communication coming your way. Your person wants to contact you regarding a love offer, probably something that they wanted to do a little while ago, but they found themselves to be very confused. They were paying attention to other stuff and not you or this connection, Aquarius. But now they find the courage, they find the clarity to come and approach you. When it comes to this, you've got the Lover's card, so this union. And this is definitely somebody coming from your past or someone you've known in your past lives. You feel that things are reaching their conclusion in a very positive manner. Things that you had no hope left in, or you were feeling that they know nothing is left in them, and you wanted to have an association with someone, could be romantic, could be a business partnership, but they weren't open to it. They were dealing with a lot of other stuff. I'm seeing you wanted to have a work association, like a partnership also. Or perhaps this is your person who was too busy working and they did not have time for you, Aquarius. I feel they were very selfish in the past, but I feel now that energy is leaving and they finally gather the courage to come and approach you and offer you this amazing union. Yeah, now you feel as if you are in power. Now you feel this confusion, which was a major part of your past energy, leaving you. This person could be a fire sign individual also. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, or you could have a lot of fire in your chart, Aquarius. I see a lot of air energy also. Could be a fellow air sign, Gemini or Libra, or another Aquarius just like you. But if you were going through some trying times in the past, you'll feel a little less burdened, a little less, uh, you'll feel more relaxed. Yeah, you've got the World card twice. Definitely something that was an unfinished business is finally reaching its culmination. You'll finally feel relieved as far as this connection is concerned, either a business partnership or romantic partnership, or uh, even a job where you were feeling left out, probably. Okay, you've got the Six of Cups twice. Definitely somebody's coming back. Could be somebody who you have children with. Now, this may not resonate with everyone, as I keep telling people. When this connection ended, Aquarius, I feel that you felt lonely. You were looking at spilt milk. You felt stuck. You also felt as if there was no hope left in your life. But what you didn't see is changing times, the hint, the hope of the fact that times can always change. If something's down right now, it has to go up. The World card, that's what it suggests. And whatever is up has to go down, right? If it rains, there has to be some kind of sunshine, and vice versa. Wow, you've got the Ten of Pentacles also. It's a very good card. You feel, oh no, you've got the Empress. You feel happy, you feel content, you feel as if you bring beautiful bounties to the table, and you feel that nobody can replace you, and which is a fact, nobody can. If you have been going through restlessness, anxiety regarding a situation, regarding a person, job, you'll find yourself being more in power. You'll find yourself feeling um, more relaxed, more balanced. Spend time with people who bring this light energy in your life. King of Cups. You walked out on this person after they made you feel this way, or they walked out on you, but they are coming back. They are definitely coming back, because I've seen the World card and the Six of Cups coming back again. I know they are coming back for sure. So be ready. Be ready for your responses, Aquarius. Be ready, but don't be rude, because I feel if they're offering you something, it's just gonna, be really good for you mentally. Have faith. Your prayers are manifesting. Remain positive and follow your guidance. I feel some of you wanted to manifest this person, and now they're finally coming back. You're more powerful than you realize. It's safe for you to be powerful. Yes, of course. You feel empowered. You feel that you can nurture people. You bring this warmth, and you're manifesting a soulmate relationship. So it could be somebody from your soul group as well, not necessarily romantic. Even a friend that was that whom you considered your soulmate. Soulmate is not always romantic, guys, okay? Talk about your feelings. Yeah, don't feel bottled up. Don't bog yourself down with your feelings and shut them up. Talk about them, because you'll feel lighter. And sometimes when you use your loved ones as sounding boards, you'll realize that you're becoming lighter. Happy thoughts. To feel happier right now, think about a memory or something else that makes you smile. Perhaps think about this nostalgic memory with this person that you want to manifest, and you'll automatically feel happy and positive. I see good things for you, Aquarius. October brings smiles. October brings justice for you. The most deserved one, you know. You deserve this justice. You deserve to be light. You deserve to be balanced. And this relationship or whatever this was, situationship, it just made you feel so imbalanced and unhappy. You and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. If you have this connection with somebody, in the recent times it's being tested. Your hard work is paying off. You've tried to manifest this person and this person is coming back again. Your commitment is being tested. And always know that you're good enough no matter what people make you feel, you know. Unless and until you feel you need to improve, don't let other people push their opinions of good and bad onto you. They themselves are dealing with so much, and don't let it affect you. If obviously you can't go around vandalizing property or being rude to people, but what I'm saying is, you know, people's ideas of good and bad may differ from your ideas of good and bad. And that is fine, okay? Do what suits you, but don't harm other people. Don't harm yourself either. Oopsies, okay. For two cards, no need to worry, and success. Success could be anything regarding work, regarding relationships, regarding a particular manifestation, movement, anything. You're gonna get that success that you truly deserve, Aquarius. Guys, I hope you like this reading and I hope you are safe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Take care.